how I want to ask you, like, how can I target my neighborhood to become a blue zone? For our viewers who don't know what are blue zones is, these are the geographical areas in which people have low rates of chronic disease and live life longer than anywhere else.
Yeah, well, can you repeat the question?
Sir, how can I target my neighborhood to become a blue zone?
For the COVID or any
Sir, for general health.
general health. Okay. The people in some parts of the world live much longer than us, mainly because of the environment. They for example, the New Zealand, some of the European countries, their environment, there is very little industrialization, very little pollution, hardly any infectious diseases like what we have. Every area has challenges, but we can definitely create a much better healthy environment for us in India, because during the COVID lockdown, you have seen, we can first time since I was born, I could hear the birds chirping early morning. Otherwise, by that time, the traffic sound is so much that we don't hear the birds chirping. And we could feel the freshness of the air. There are many things we can do collectively, but obviously we have so many other priorities. We are all fighting for our survival. So, but it is a matter of time with the education, literacy, affluence. These things are going to get better. Yeah, but in the process of reaching there, every country went through what we are going through. US and Europe didn't become a very healthy place from the beginning. They did go through our phase. They did go through a lot of pollution. They did go through many problems. London had some of the worst epidemic diseases because of the the contamination through sewage water, and they learned and they got it better. Yeah, we are also going in the same direction. We will go there. Yeah, we will reach there.